Guy, can we start the truck up? It's about 900 degrees.
Oh, I'm sorry, Bo. You're all right?
No.
No, that's a shook. Why are you?
She kicked me out the front.
I think I should drive.
Okay, let's not do that. All right, what is going on, everyone? This is the third time I'm filming this intro because I couldn't get my camera to work. Kept like stop recording, but we are loaded up on the trailer with the cow. Slight issue with it. We got a grudge race locked in, 200 punk out on $2,000. But we were underneath the car yesterday working on everything, and it looks like it sprung a leak in the shock. Now, you guys have heard me complain about these shocks, but right rear shock looks like it has finally let go. The fluid had drained out of it. Not really. I don't really think that's going to cause much of an issue because, well, I don't know. I have been trying to stiffen it up, but we're going to see what happens and make a couple test passes. If we got to pay the punk out, we got to pay the punk out, but I think we'll be able to get down track. Hopefully all goes well. But headed up to Fayetteville Motorsports Park. Let's get up there. I'll see you guys there.
Your life.
My life?
It's just so...
Dad, one time. Oh, all right. So Lily just unstrapped the car for that. Follow her on Instagram at Lil Fins. Nice. So they got people out here running at Freaky Friday. Like I said earlier, I adjusted the rebound on my shock, which I haven't touched in years, trying to get it to leave right. And that upset the right rear shock, leaked out all the fluid, still leaking, hit it with brake clean. I think we're good. We're gonna make a test hit shakedown, 18 pounds of air in the tire, 22 pounds of boost. I'm gonna up the boost at launch a little bit, and because that shock's a little bouncy, I'm driving. We're gonna see if we can add power to keep it planted. So we'll see what we can do. Big shout to Wes for manning the camera as always, at Wes on Instagram. Wes, dab behind the camera.
Dab.
Oh, you guys didn't even see it, but he did it. So we gotta put ice in the car, I gotta get my suit on, and then we're gonna run. Sorry,
Wow.
I got myself.
Wow.
Sorry, I got myself.
Wow.
We're gonna make a pass, and I'm gonna turn it up a little bit off the hit, see if I can get the hook, and check tire pressure, and then go. Every time I do something, I feel like there's more shit I gotta do to make a pass. So it's brutal doing it by yourself. I'm taking left lane.
You about to run Will?
Oh.
Yeah, man, we're about to run Will in the golf cart.
Whoa.
That right lane look alright though.
The right lane does look good.
Alright, I'll take right.
That's what right.
I'll take right.
Left look better on the camera, but you're right.
So we are, we just set it up from scratch right here. Gonna do a test hit. We changed the boost settings all up. We're gonna leave on 8.5 on the gate, right off launch. Gonna go into any more detail or?
Pretty much it. I took all the boost out of it on launch before, so I think 8 is kind of a higher side, but we're gonna try to put a little bit more on there. Just see if it leaves straight. If it gets squirrely, get out of it, abort the mission. So
try it again.
Let's do it.
Obviously, as you've seen, we shook a lot on the first pass. We spun off the line, lowered the boost right off the wastegate, so we brought that down a good bit. We're gonna lower the tire pressure again and give it another go real quick. We got the ice ready. We're gonna see what we can do out here.
All right, so we're back again. I'm gonna make another pass with the cow and see how it does.
I said, all right, we gonna go 58 days, whatever. So I try to treat you. That's what I'm thinking in my head. You got more. Man, this man ain't got no shifter. He got like a stick. What? Hey, the man took his glove box out. Damn, he really ain't got a shifter. He got that fucking stick. That man, god damn, he done removed the glove box. I don't even know how.
Will, that's your people.
Damn, my shit might be fast. I do that. But I ain't never do nobody.
What's up?
Water in the water box.
Yeah, you should have, man.
You got a video of me busting that Mustang's ass?
I don't.
I did. Fucking terrible camera. Where's Doc at?
Yeah. Where's Vinny at? You want Vinny to record for you? Oh, there he is. He's over there somewhere.
What are you doing?
Riding my fucking motorcycle.
Okay, why you gotta curse on camera? Alright, so guys, ran into some difficulties there. Something's wrong with the cow.
Tell John if you would like to see me hands and knees on the hood of his car twerking in picture form. Let him know.
And video.
Oh yeah, and video form.
We got Vince from VF Media, and he said the only way he's doing a photo shoot with Lily is if she's twerking on the cow. So everyone knows how Vince rolls around here. Vince likes to see some twerking and race cars. But that is the most annoying thing I've ever heard. We're loading up here. Cow is hurt, didn't get the race off. We're gonna run the race back again. Sam said we'll run it when we can. Miguel stopped by, he made a pass. He's loaded up. Always something going on here, so kind kind of like all over the place video. I didn't film too much. Big thank you to Wes for filming and, you know, keeping you guys updated on the progress. Tomorrow, I'm taking the car up to the shop and we're gonna work on the cow and see if we can get it figured out. So big thank you to everyone who came out, and I love when you guys come up and say what's up, but that's kind of how she goes sometimes. So we are going to head to the house and we're gonna get some Waffle House.
Fuck no.
Okay, always cursing on camera.
I think we should get something else.
What, like, real quick, what do you want?
I don't want breakfast.
Okay, that was not what you want. Another chance. Name one restaurant that's gonna be open that we could go to.
What time is it?
Okay, never mind. As you can see, Lily is the most undecisive person ever, but she will floss on camera. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Like always, comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you next time.